Welcome to NOHKNET Learning English. This channel helps you improve your English listening skills effectively. Today, let's listen to a reading passage about registering for a course. Listen carefully and try to understand the key details. Registering for a course. Many people want to improve their English skills, and one of the best ways to do that is by taking an English course. To register for a course, the first step is to find a suitable language center. Most language centers offer different levels, from beginner to advanced, so it is important to choose the right level. After selecting a course, students need to check the schedule and fees. Some courses are held in the morning, while others take place in the evening or on weekends. The cost of a course can vary, depending on the duration and quality of the lessons. Once the student decides on a course, they must complete the registration process. This usually includes filling out a form with personal details such as name, email, and phone number. Some centers also require an initial placement test to determine the student's level. Finally, students need to make the payment. Payments can often be made online, by bank transfer, or in person at the language center. After completing the payment, the student receives a confirmation and is ready to start learning. Learning English in a structured course helps students improve their speaking, listening, reading, and writing skills more effectively. It also provides opportunities to practice with teachers and classmates. How much did you understand from this passage? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NOHKNET Learning English for more useful English lessons. See you in the next video.